Well friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix StarRupture game not launching, not opening, won't launch, showing black screen error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So for that, first you have to search for the game on Steam, and after that go below, and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, next method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users, click on Steam option, then click on exit. After that click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam under library section. Here you have to select your game. Now once the game is selected, here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now click on general, and in the launch option you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to allow StarRupture game through Firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now here if you click on Firewall network protection, click on allow an app through Firewall. Click on change settings, and here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If you cannot find the game, don't worry, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, make sure to select the game and then click on both private and public boxes and then click on OK, and after that launch the game and check. If not, next method is to run the game from exe file. So for that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. You have to simply double click on it and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, then you are suggested to run the game as administrator. For that, right click on the game application, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and launch the game and check if this helps to resolve the problem. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still occurs, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. So the next method is to update graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once the graphics drivers are updated, now launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to check graphics settings of the game. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next method is to move game to SSD. So if your game is not installed on SSD, then you are suggested to do it. That you have to click on Steam, then go to settings, then go to storage, and here you will find the game whether it is installed on SSD or not. So what you need to do is you have to simply select the game, and after that here you have to click on move option, and this will move the game to the SSD, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, now click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once it is disabled, launch the game and check. Same thing for GeForce Experience users. Open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options from here. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files on Google. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. After it is downloaded, open it, and here you will get repair or install option. Whatever you get, click on it and wait for some time unless you get setup successful message. After this, close it and then restart your PC once. Once your PC restart, now log into the game and check if you can play the game. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search and now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates to check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to play the game. Next solution is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. So what you need to do is just go to the Windows search for Windows security, and here you have to click on virus and threat protection. Go below, click on manage settings, and here you have to first turn off real-time protection. After this, again go to the Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall, and now click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings, then click on OK, and after that launch the game and check. But later on again come back and make sure to tick mark on both turn on Windows Defender Firewall in public and private network settings. Next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. Once you select high performance, now launch the game and check if this works to resolve the problem. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall StarRupture game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, now launch Steam and then reinstall StarRupture game once again, and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.